In this video, we listed the 5 best compact projectors that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Samsung the Freestyle 2nd Gen. The Samsung Freestyle 2nd Gen with Gaming Hub is a versatile and portable smart projector designed to bring a cinematic experience anywhere you go. With point-and-play flexibility, you can easily set it up in any spot. Simply place, tilt, and enjoy your favorite content with a 180 degrees cradle stand that lets you project from floor to ceiling. Its auto-leveling, autofocus, and auto-keystone features ensure a perfectly aligned and sharp picture every time, without the hassle of manual adjustments. Powered by Samsung's Smart TV platform, you get instant access to all your favorite apps, movies, and even workouts in one sleek device. The built-in Gaming Hub offers quick access to console and cloud gaming, so you can play instantly without needing extra hardware. Experience immersive 360 degrees sound from high-quality speakers, or pair it with a Bluetooth speaker, sound tower, or soundbar for even bigger audio. Compatible with external USB-C batteries, this smart projector is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, its smart calibration feature lets you fine-tune colors, contrast, and tone from your phone in under 12 minutes for true cinematic quality. With full HD resolution, 1920 by 1080, multiple voice assistants, and the ability to scale and move the screen from 30 to 100 inches, the Freestyle 2nd Gen transforms any surface into your personal entertainment hub, making every movie, game, or show look and sound spectacular. Number 2. Anker Nebula Capsule 3 Laser. The Nebula Capsule 3 Laser is a compact yet powerful 1080p Full HD laser projector designed for premium home cinema and on-the-go entertainment. Powered by an advanced laser engine, it delivers 300 ANSI lumens of brightness with vivid, crystal-clear visuals that stay sharp in any setting. Despite its incredible performance, this portable projector weighs just 2 pounds, 900 G, and is 90% smaller than most projectors with similar brightness, making it perfect for travel, outdoor movie nights, or business presentations. Enjoy up to a 120-inch display anywhere you go, backed by autofocus and auto keystone correction for effortless setup and perfectly aligned images every time. The built-in battery provides up to 2.5 hours of movie playback or 8 hours of music and supports PD fast charging for quick power-ups via a USB-C power bank. Featuring Google TV, Google Assistant, Chromecast, and official Netflix support, you'll have instant access to your favorite shows, apps, and content, all in one place. Completing the experience, the 8W Dolby digital speakers deliver rich, immersive sound that fills the room with cinematic clarity. With the Capsule 3 Laser, Nebula combines portability, power, and smart entertainment in a sleek, travel-friendly design. Number 3. Valerion VisionMaster Pro 2. The Valerion VisionMaster Pro projector is a cutting-edge home cinema solution that delivers an exceptional viewing experience with its impressive 4K UHD resolution and a remarkable 15:0:0:1 contrast ratio. Featuring enhanced black level, EBL, technology, and a wide color gamut of 110% Rec. 2020, it produces vivid, lifelike colors and true deep blacks, ensuring cinematic perfection through ISF-certified calibration. The Optic Flex lens system allows for versatile installation with a 0.9 to 1.5 throw ratio and auto-adjusting features like focus and keystone correction, enabling projections of up to 300 inches without clarity loss. Enhanced by AI Super Resolution and HDR10+ with dynamic tone mapping, the projector optimizes brightness and contrast in real time, creating an immersive viewing experience. Equipped with a powerful ALSoC MT9618 chipset for GB RAM and 128 GB ROM, it supports seamless multitasking and smooth 4K streaming. With ultra-low 4 milliseconds input lag and a 240 Hz refresh rate, it is also ideal for gaming, offering customizable modes for an enhanced experience. Additionally, the projector features smart integration with popular streaming platforms and voice control compatibility with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit, making it a versatile and future-proof entertainment hub. Number 4. Aurzen ZIP Compact Projectors. The Aurzen ZIP Mini Projector is a groundbreaking portable device, recognized as the world's first trifold DLP projector, designed for ultimate convenience and versatility. Its compact, wallet-sized design allows for easy transport while delivering impressive projection capabilities, including native 720p resolution, support for 1080p and 4K, and authentic 100 ANSI lumens brightness for vibrant, true-to-life colors. The projector features a built-in adjustable stand for quick setup, eliminating the need for additional mounts, and utilizes advanced DLP technology for high-resolution visuals with excellent contrast. With instant screen mirroring capabilities that require no Wi-Fi and zero-lag autofocus technology for seamless clarity, the ZIP projector enhances the mobile viewing experience, particularly for short-form content on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. It offers up to 1.5 hours of playback on a single charge with fast Type-C PD charging, and its Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity ensures rich audio experiences by pairing with external devices. This stylish and functional projector makes an ideal gift for tech enthusiasts and anyone who enjoys entertainment on the go. Number 5. Samsung The Premier 5. The Samsung Premier 4K UHD Ultra Bright Laser Projector transforms your home into a true cinematic experience with cutting-edge technology and premium design. Featuring an advanced 4K UHD laser engine with 2,200 lumens of brightness, it delivers stunning, theater-like picture quality with incredible clarity, contrast, and color depth. Powered by Tizen Smart TV, it provides access to next-generation apps, seamless navigation, and enhanced controls for an effortless entertainment experience. Its ultra-short throw and compact minimalist design allow placement just inches from the wall, blending beautifully into any living space while projecting a massive, crystal-clear image. The built-in 2.2-channel sound system with a powerful subwoofer and 30W speakers ensures rich, room-filling audio that complements its breathtaking visuals. With support for multiple voice assistants, including Alexa and Bixby, you can control playback, access content, or get information entirely hands-free. The UHD processor and per-color technology fine-tune every frame for natural, vibrant colors, while the Game Enhancer mode optimizes settings for smooth, immersive gameplay. Paired with the sleek One remote, which automatically detects and controls connected devices, the Samsung Premier redefines home cinema with smart functionality, bold design, and cinematic excellence, all in one elegant package.